In today's video, I'll share Microsoft's most powerful tool to date and absolutely game changer, especially for low RAM user. If your PC cache frequently fills up, this tool automatically manages everything. The best part, it's incredible lightweight, taking minimal system resources. It acts as an FPS booster, cleaning not only your PC RAM but also your DirectX gaming cache and system cache, freeing up a substantial amount of space, which makes your experience way faster. Now download, you can find the download link in the video description. Alternatively, a simple search on Google, download PC Manager and hit enter will lead you to the Microsoft official download page. It is compatible with both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's talk about the key features. Home interface. Boost your PC with one click, covering everything from RAM to temp file cleaning, health check for an overall system checkup, background process management and cleaning, deep cleanup to clear temporary files, linked folders and registry files, startup time check and optimizations, and much more. Number 2, system protection. PC scan and health check with Microsoft Defender Antivirus, Windows update and default browse settings, in which you can just select your default browser from here, and it's easy, like you don't need to find the default settings, just go and easily you can just switch your default browser, and it's make too easier. Sometimes task manager just make glitches or won't start up, or you can just click on the start button but it's not working, so with this one click you can repair it. Restore default applications. Sometimes you just launch some new files with new extensions, so by default or by mistake you just change the startup apps. With this setting you can just restore them. Now pop-up management. This is the most important feature in this tool, because some third-party tools like WinRAR or some other tools like CC Cleaner, after using the trial versions they just pop up their advertisement, so with this tool you can just block them. And then system storage. Deep scan and auto management of larger files, and you can easily find here the larger files. Just go over there and find the larger file above than 100 MB or 100 GB. You can find document, pictures, compressed folders, videos, audios and other, just clicking on the view in the file explorer. Now let's talk about the applications. Background process management, in which you can just close the background running process with simple one click. Just click on the end task and it will close the background processes. Startup app, in which you can just close all the startup programs. Later on you can launch it if they are not important in your case. In my case, I'm just going with IDM and Vanguard trade notification and Windows security notification. You can even disable these options as well, but it's on you, it's on your choice. Now manage applications and Microsoft Store. The shortcut, you can directly just click here and it will pop up the application features where you can just uninstall or repair your applications and Microsoft Store and Microsoft Store direct link. Now the most interesting, Toolbox. Now personalized toolbar for quick access to essential features. You can add more tools in it, and with one click you can boost your PC with screenshot, notepad and much more. You can include more tools in it. Just click on add more tool and you can add here more tools. So I personally love this tool, but I would love to hear from your thoughts. Drop your feedback in the comment section. How many of you are already familiar with this? See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself, and yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates. Have a good day.